this panel, and like we have this electric kettle over here. They provide two bottles of water, like morning and in evening. We have this mini bar, coffee machine. So in mini bar we have cold drinks and a few drinks. So these are all like you have to pay for it. So here is the menu for that. Um, so now we have this wardrobe section. They've also given life jacket if you want to snorkel and all, and a small study room kind of thing. Then here we have our washroom. So yeah, this is for taking bath. And yeah, this we have just two wash basins, and here we have open washroom, and we have direct access to like ocean from here as well. So let me quickly show you the room. So this is our room. This is king size bed. We have that sofa over there. Also a small study table there, and TV we have two sitting like sofas from where you can directly see that view. So yeah, it's ocean pool villa, so we have got this infinity pool, and that cabana is there. Again we have dining table kind of setup here. Then we have that sunbed, and yeah, this I open like bathtub so you can bathe and see the view directly over there. So we have direct access to ocean. I just see that view, it's so awesome, that light blue water. So it's just awesome. So yeah, for our to see the tour of our beach pool villa, you can just check out in our description, so you can see the room tour of that as well. Thank you for now.